Student life can be very stressful, but luckily for students, there are services at Conestoga College that help them through this period. Counseling services offering cognitive behavioral therapy workshops twice a year, in fall and winter semester. Student Meshach Reynolds feels no stigma about the mental health and ways to strengthen it.
The workshop taught me to be confident within myself, to use affirmations, and to not diminish my own accomplishments.
Reynolds is recommending workshops because they improve self-care, and that's what all students need. According to counsellor Marshall Chanda, there is still stigma that makes it harder for some people to admit they have problems and struggles.
The cognitive behavioral therapy workshops that we offer at Conestoga College here, we offer them because it gives students a chance to try and manage negative thinking and negative emotions that they experience. It gives students strategies and tools and techniques for how to cope with those things better.
Services are available to full-time students, and they can help you to build your own self-care toolbox that you can bring anywhere with you and be able to deal with stresses in life. For students uncomfortable in groups, there is the breathing space. According to Heather Callum from Student Wellness, if they feel stressed, worried, or upset, people can use this drop-in calm space on campus to do quiet activities by themselves, connect to other students, or to meet peer navigator.
Every person needs to take care of their mental well-being, and so we offer a lot of supports to do that, whether it's just talking with other students or a staff.
In my next video, I'm going to talk about anxiety. My name is Sandra the Fierce, and I see you in my next video.